Siladuze kwami ujoinele lamadoda lawa seleqalile la ekhaya.
Yes, I have.
How is the madness?
It is kind of overwhelming at times. It's crazy, but it is a lot of fun. I wouldn't have been in with any other team except this one.
Yeah. What makes them so special?
The fact that they're passionate about what they're doing, they are very team-oriented, they respect the team, they respect what we're doing, and they're just full of love, man. It's a lot of fun. We get paid to love, guys. We get paid to love every single day.
I'm a bad habit wona akucika yakhona la ekhaya imali kakhulukazi kubhuti club.
Uzangishayisa ngokuleli yazi wena.
I think
the worst habit is when he makes fun of my eyes. Ne? He keeps saying that I shouldn't look to the camera because I'll scare all of you guys. So I don't know.
He become a
He keeps saying he makes fun of my eyes. I'm not gonna tell you what he calls me, right?
So you also have an AKA.
I've got an AKA and I'm not happy about it.
Garfield.
Garfield. I mean, look at this.
So clearly environment like ekhaya imnandi wena okwakho yini okwenzayo la?
I'm the problem child.
Wena khupha.
Problem child is what I get paid to do. To be a problem and very mature.
Ungazube inkinga kuhlelo lwami oluqhubeka ngolwakho.
And I was very about Garfield. Yes,
I don't see that.
I just